Do I have to do a tax return? Essentially, the idea is if you receive income which isn't being taxed anywhere else, then it is likely you'll need to do a tax return. Most people will earn as an employee on a payroll. You get a pay slip each time and your tax and NI has already been deducted. Great, no need to do a tax return. However, if you also receive income from any other source, so for example, you're self-employed, you rent out a property, or you have stocks and shares, this will all need to be taxed, and this is where your tax return comes into play. You'll have to tell HMRC that you're receiving this income, and there is a deadline, so watch out. It must be by the 5th of October following the tax year end that you receive the income in. So for example, if you start to receive income in August 21, you will have to tell HMRC that you're receiving this income, and there is a deadline. It must be by the 5th of October following the tax year end that the income was received. So for example, if you start to receive the income in August 21, the tax year then finishes on the 5th of April 22, and therefore you have until the 5th of October 22 to tell HMRC and get registered. Once you're registered, HMRC will expect a tax return from you every year, declaring all your income, even if you've already paid tax on it, and you must file it on time. You won't pay tax on your employment wages twice, don't worry, but you do still have to put it on the return. If in doubt, and you aren't sure whether you need to do one, always check with an accountant. Better to be safe than sorry.